everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, as you already read the title, yesterday I went to Rite Aid and I shopped 2 or 3 drugstore products. 2 are lipsticks and 1 is eyebrow product, which you already read the title. Is arcs and halos. This is new. I have never used any of the product and this brand is new for me. Let me know if you used any of the product from this brand, arcs and halos. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Is it Archies or arcs and halos? Let me know in the comment section. So this is the first time I'm going to use. This is the eyebrow defining brow pencil, and the other 2 product I took is the lip shade. One is from Neutrogena and another is a doll face, which is also the first time I have used. So do check out my Instagram reel. I will be share the link in my description box. I have created the reel, so do check that out and let me know your feedback. So I'm going to try this brow defining. So let's see. This I felt like it was quite similar to the Huda Beauty new eyebrow pencil, and that's almost finished. So I thought, and that is quite expensive, it's around $18 on Sephora, and this was just $12. Yeah, this was something around $12 on Rite Aid, and I just checked this is also available on Target. So do check that out. I will definitely share the link in my description box below. So that comes in this kind of box packaging, and I took in the shade charcoal. It comes in total 8 shades. They have total 8 shades, and in brown tone they have total 4. Charcoal, I took this shade. I thought that this should match, and I really I'm really impressed with the blades. If you see, it's very thin. I'll just open it, but not compared to the Huda Beauty one, but I'm sure you will able to create fine strokes of hairs. And also it comes with a spoolie, which is not hard. It is quite soft as well. So let's check it out and see if this matches to my eyebrows. So I'm going to brush my hair first. It also says that this arcs and halo is cruelty free, is vegan, and it's clean beauty. It is available in 8 rich shades, and the quality is also, formulation is amazing. And micro detailing mechanical brow pencil, and there was also in different in pencil form. So I wanted something which I can create a thin strokes. There were angled brow pencil as well, that next time I will try. I would definitely love to try if they have lipsticks or any other makeup products. I will definitely try, love to try their other products as well. So for now I just took this brow pencil, and let's see how it works. Yeah, I could see definitely I can create thin one single stroke of hair as well, and it's definitely pigmented. You can easily fill in the gaps. That's the difference. Can you see? It's giving such a beautiful define. I could see the difference. This is very nicely pigmented, and I could easily shape the eyebrows as well, and it very nicely filled in my eyebrows. Wow, I'm so impressed. I'm seriously in love with this brow pencil and I'm definitely going to use this every day. It was easy to use it. So let's do the other side. You can see it's easy to fill, and charcoal shade is perfect shade to my eyebrows. So if you are of same skin tone like mine, or if your eyebrows are not jet black but it comes little light brown shade, then charcoal is perfect shade for you. I kind of like it, and $12, it's very affordable, and this is available in Target and in Rite Aid as well. Go check it out, guys. I really like this and I would definitely recommend to buy this. It comes with a spoolie and you can easily create one single stroke of hair, and you can do the filling of the eyebrows as well. So definitely recommend from my hand, and I hope you like this review, and let me know if you like such kind of videos reviews. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. ID is just chill with Pam. Please subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.